You keep flipping the chair or what?
Retard!
I got him off the chair, huh?
Bro, you ate harder shit than me, so it doesn't even count. Come on. No, were you fighting on the ground? I didn't know this.
You see him and Dennis?
Yeah. Give my leg back. No, why are your legs so sweaty? Yo! No! Oh, shit. Brandon, no! Oh! No! Like, yeah, my leg. Why are you recording?
How do you feel right now?
You break my leg?
I got the heel hook right here.
How do you feel right now?
I feel you better flip me.
Are you?
Ooh.
Oh, I don't like that. Brandon! Brandon, no. Yeah, you got me. Don't sling it. You got my legs.
Trevor won.
What did y'all do? I got through to the ground. Why? What did you do? Wrestling. I was like, oh well.
Dinosaur eating what?
See? This is the kind of shit I'm talking about, Braden.
Dinosaur eating Napoleon.
No, because the dinosaur would never eat Napoleon.
Why not?
He wouldn't.
Napoleon was short.
Yeah, but
Just like you.
Also a baller, like me. Are you saying I'm ugly, Braden?
I'm not saying that, but you did say you are Napoleon.
Well, I think you're just saying I'm ugly.
That's not what I'm saying, Dennis. But I am saying that I called Napoleon ugly and you're saying you're Napoleon.
Your mother would say differently. She says I'm pretty cute.
Interesting.
Very. Well.
Dennis, come back.
What's up, Chris? You have drugs?
Ah!
You should have got that one on video, man.
So dumb.
Hey, break it up.
Look at that. You can't see in the video? That came off of his fucking dipstick.
What song that we don't like and want to shoot? We're surprisingly well-balanced people. I thought we'd have something we hate.
Furry Hitler.
Furry Hitler. Safety off, fire when ready.
You.
I don't think the watermelon exists anymore.
Yo, there's the piece. Look in here.
Rousing around with the.
This thing kicks like my ex-wife.
You all fire when ready. Don't heat the melon. Shoot again.
Yeah.
It jammed.
Alright.
So as you can see, Tyler broke the gun. So I had to disassemble the gun. So now I have to reassemble the gun because the slide here keeps sticking. When we feed, because this is a semi-auto, we feed it in here. The bullets don't want to come out, but...
Alright, we're giving...
Take the gun apart. I get to keep the barrel. He gets to keep his hand. Tyler, you get to stop. We're gonna unscrew that out of there. And then we throw the rest of it away.
We throw like
the rest is evidence, however.
You might have to screw it in with
The gun is relatively together. Hey, look, pump action shotgun. You got my daughter pregnant, you gonna marry her, you son of a bitch.
You should pump it twice. You shave it around and then you rejected it.
Well, the first round was bird and I got serious, so the second round was buck. Third is slug. That's how you know I'm really serious, but that's for the ATF.
You gotta have a gun just in case the ATF tries to shoot your dog.
they're going to have to get past me first. And they think they can touch trouble. Yeah, if we fire and the gun falls apart, this is... Yep, I'm done.
Alright, well, that's guns.
Wait, do this. Do with the thing. That jiggle the fire.
Try doing the thing.
What,
again.
stop?
Gun is fixed. Alright, I think I found the issue.
What?
I'll show you how it's done.
Oh, shit!
Yeah, it likes to just stop.
Chevys are injured, but never dead.
It's sparking out the exhaust.
I know. Dude, it's destroying the motor.
I've never seen that.
Dude, it's so pissed.
It's in the race.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Oh shit, shit!
Stop, fire!
Was on fire.
Yeah, that's what I was talking about.
It's the exhaust.
Oh.
Holy shit!
Was the exhaust pop up?
It's a little red.
Dude, it lit on fire. Like,
It was on fire.
Take your phone and stuff.
let's let her cool off right here.
Here, he got it. I got it. We might have to park it over there.
Yeah, let's keep it on blacktop where it
Yeah,
can't.
not on ground.
I don't know. This isn't my house.
I'm popping the hood.
Is there something in here?
Rubberized undercoating. Whatever the hell is this for? Throw this thing at it. What's in his jerry can?
It was left out in the rain.
Whatever's in there, throw it at it.
I thought we were gonna have to push it like over to the fire pit and start throwing ashes on it.
I didn't know it was that on
Yeah,
fire.
dude, it was on fire.
Like 5 feet back, and the whole underside of the car was orange, and I'm like, oh no!
it's a push rod.
It doesn't sound like it has another grand in it.
Letter's bed.